या हाय दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो आपने लास्ट वीक देखा होगा कि आई हैव पोस्टेड सम वीडियो दैट आई हैव पास द AZ-900 सर्टिफिकेशन एग्जाम। तो you can see this is the Microsoft dashboard. Okay, so when you go to the microsoft.com you will come here, or here you can see that they are saying that congratulations on passing your AZ-900 Microsoft Azure fundamentals exam. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you that how to register yourself for this exam, and how much money it will take to register for this exam or a similar kind of exam. And if you are in IBM or TCS or any other MNC, which are allowing reimbursement for this exam, then how can you do that? And in a second video I will tell you that from which website I have learned, or I took help, which helped me to pass this exam. So please watch this video till the end. This might help you. Side by side, if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. So you can see when I come here, okay, when I come to the Microsoft.com landing page and then go to the learning. So Microsoft.com, you can see the URL, right? So when I come here, I land to this page. Earlier on, this message wasn't there, but since I have passed the examination, this message is appearing. Okay, now if you want to schedule an exam, I mean, if your project manager allowed you for this exam, or like when I was in IBM till May. So in May we used to get a mail that hey, everybody should be certified with the AZ-900. But since I was leaving IBM, so I did not did certification there. But I saw the registration process. Okay, and then when I came to TCS, I finally done the registration and passed this exam. So how you will register for this, and if you get a mail from a company like TCS or IBM, then how you register yourself for the certification. So if you go down, see there is a certification panel. So since I passed the certification, so it's coming. So when you come here, you have to schedule your exam. You should click here, okay, and then here you should type AZ-900, okay, and do the searching. So once you search there, you get this. Okay, so you have to click here. Okay, once you click, it's come to details page, that what it is, from where it has been, and so all the details for this exam would be mentioned here. So if you want to read that, but the main thing is this three. Okay, so you can use any of the three option, but for us, for developer, it is mentioned that we have to use this schedule with personal VUI. Okay, you can also schedule with the Centibot, mean an instructor, I mean they will come, but for us it was mentioned that you have to schedule with the personal VUI. And see, for this exam, it uh, Microsoft take $99, which more than 7,000. Okay, but it was free for IBMer as well as a TCSer. So when we click here, when we click on this personal view, it loads and uh, brings a new page. Okay, where it authenticate, first it authenticate everything, and then see whether you have. Okay, so they will ask these basic details, that my what is my address, phone number, blah blah blah. So once I continue this, okay, now see here, since I am working in TCS, so it is coming this. Okay, actually before this I have to validate my email ID. I mean, if you are IBMer, there, or then there's, if you are TCSR, then there's, so you have to, if this thing don't come for you, you can do this thing. You have to mention your email ID here. Okay, at the rate is at the rate ibm.com or tcs.com. Okay, so you have to give your email ID, and then this system will check by itself that okay, whether you are eligible for this. I have done this, check this with the IBM ID. So for IBM also it was 100% reimbursed, and since I am right now I'm working with the TCS, so for TCS also it is 100% reimbursement will be done automatically. So you don't have to pay any money. I would say you have to pay only zero amount. Okay, it's only zero money, and all the reimbursement will be done automatically by Microsoft internally. And once you schedule an exam, okay, once you click schedule exam, uh, it will check for everything. Okay, like details, everything. So now uh, once you schedule exam, you get a three option. One sit at test center, and now test center are very less available. So uh, I mean, people used to do at their home or office. And second is the private access. So generally we as a developer choose these two option. Earlier on, people used to check the test center option, but due to corona all test center are closed. So you have to select this. Okay, on you online at home or office. So once you click here, now they ask all this thing. Okay, you, whether you have your computer or not, test your the space, test your ID, test blah blah blah. Okay, you can do the testing right now, but I will show you again that how they do this kind of testing. And then you have to click on next. Okay, so once you click next you have to agree some of the terms and conditions. Okay, then all the privacy policies of the exam, you should have some uh, photo ID proof like this. Okay, and for cancellation, you can reschedule your exam or cancel your exam before 24 hours. Suppose my exam is on tomorrow 12 p.m., then till today 11:59 p.m. am, sorry, I can reschedule or cancel the exam. If it is more than 12 p.m. today, then I cannot reschedule or cancel the exam. The cancellation and reschedule exam process are very simple. I mean, you have to go to the exam and then you have to click on reschedule or cancel. So once I do agree, okay, so they ask for what would be your exam language. Okay, so suppose I select English, uh, then I click next. They will process my request and see what are the thing. Okay, so for this you can see they are charging 3696. So this amount may get increased or decreased based on the dollar to rupee conversion. So don't worry. I mean, if you are in IBM or TCS, and if you can see that 100% claim there, you do this, you will get the bill mail, but they will not charge anything. Okay. So again, click on next. So this thing will come. Okay, and see, I cannot go to the next step because I have already passed this exam. But for your, when you click on next, you will get an option to schedule the exam. Okay, where you will select the timing and then submit, and then your exam will get scheduled. So once your exam gets scheduled, you will get a mail. Okay, you will get a mail, two mail. Okay, first like this, invoice mail from person view, that hey, your candidate is this and this is the invoice. So from your end, if you can see that 100% claim, so from your end you can see you have to pay zero amount, else you may have to pay the amount which I have shown you earlier. But since 100% reimbursement was done, so I have to pay this much. Okay, so you get two mails once you're registered, once your registration get done. First is this payment mail, and second is this confirmation of schedule exam. Okay, so you will get the date, timing, and then this test your system. So I will check you how to test your system and what are the things you will need and to test your system before setting in the exam. So I hope you have liked my video that how to schedule your exam for the Microsoft certification. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Thank you and bye bye.